Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Augusto Ilian, and this is installment number 42 of my Aves de Colombia series. Today we will talk about the king vulture, king of the gallinazos, Sarcoramphus papa. Order: Cathartiformes. Family: Cathartidae. The king of buzzards is one of the largest American vultures. When he finds a dead animal, he displaces the smaller vultures and makes the first cut in the skin of the corpse with his strong beak. Size and shape: it measures between 67 and 81 centimeters long and weighs between 3 and 3.7 kilograms. It has little sexual dimorphism. Adults have cream-white plumage for the most part. The back and shoulders are suede. The greater wing coverts, remiges, tail and rump are black and have a gray feather collar. The head is bare and with caruncles, ornately painted orange, yellow, blue and black. The iris is white and the bill is dark orange. Juveniles show black sooty plumage and a collar of small feathers. The head is blackish and the bill is black with an orange tint. The iris is grayish-yellow. At 3 years old they acquire adult plumage. Subadults are more or less white underneath, with black on the mantle. Similar species. Juveniles, given their dark plumage, can be confused with the common guala Cathartes aura, but they soar with flat wings. The adult can be confused with the bonehead stork, Mycteria americana, although the latter has a longer neck and legs. Regional differences: it is considered a monotypic species. It is found up to 1500 m. It is found in the northwest of Chaco to the Santa Marta region, in the upper Magdalena Valley, and east of the Andes from the north of Santander to the south. It is also found in the Amazon and in the department of Córdoba in the PNN Paramillo. Globalment is found in the south of Mexico, in the northwest of Peru, in the north of Argentina and Uruguay. They prefer dry or humid lowland tropical forests, generally little disturbed. It is also found in open areas near these temporarily flooded forests and wet grasslands. It feeds on all kinds of carrion, although it has been seen attacking wounded animals, and in areas where food is scarce, on fallen fruits of the moricha palm, Mauritia flexuosa. It has specialized in consuming the skin and hardest parts of the corpses, then giving way to other gualas to feed on the muscles and viscera. Whether it finds its food by smell, or with the help of vision, is still up for debate. Little is known about their reproduction, and most of the data has been obtained from birds in captivity. It has been successfully reproduced in zoos such as Cali and Medellin. They are known to breed mainly during the dry season. They nest in low log hollows or in a clean part of the forest floor at the base of a spiny palm. Their lutch is made up of a single cream-white egg. The incubation time is 58 to 60 days, which is shared by both sexes. If the egg is lost, they can put another one after about 6 weeks. The chick is semi-altricial, but covered by a white down and born with its eyes open. They are fully feathered at 3 months of age, reaching sexual maturity when they are 4 to 5 years old. It glides high for a long time without flapping its wings, helping itself with the thermal currents. It is usually solitary, and they do not appear in great numbers. 5 to 6 individuals can be found on a large carrion, or up to 12 bathing and drinking from puddles. It is rarely seen perched except in the forest canopy, keeping its head low and forward. Despite being large, it is not very aggressive. It defecates on its legs to reduce its body temperature. The king of buzzards lacks a syrinx, however. It is not a silent bird, and can make various warning sounds and rattle with its beak. Its taxonomic affinities are not entirely clear, previously located within the genus Cathartes. It is the only surviving species of the genus Sarcoramphus, which includes fossil members. State of conservation. Their status is of minor concern, but in many places their populations have decreased due to the loss of their habitat, especially in the Magdalena Valley, the Caribbean coast, and the foothills of the eastern mountain range. It is also usually known as Oripopo cabeza rezamuro in Venezuela. When he descends to feed, the other koalas give way, and for this he receives the name of king. It is represented very frequently in the Mayan codices. We have reached the end of issue number 42. In our next installment, number 43, we will talk about the Calcathropus ruficervix, golden ape tanager, Tangara diadema. Do not forget to support my work by watching all my videos until the end if you like by liking them, sharing them with your contacts and subscribing to my channel. In the same way, I appreciate your comments, in order to generate content that you like. Many thanks.